Hey everybody, it's your girl Winter Slays here, and today I'm back with another video. So this video that I'm doing today is going to be my travel essentials because my trip to New York is in 2 weeks. Y'all, it's coming soon. So as you see, I'm in this video barefaced and natural hair because I don't want any weave in my head or any makeup on my face until I go to my trip. So I'm just letting everything breathe, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell, okay, so you can see when I upload my New York City vlog. So let's get started. And if it's like my eyes are looking somewhere else, I'm looking at the stuff behind me, so sorry about that. So first I'm going to show you the bag that is going to be my travel essential holder, which is just this mini backpack that I got from Burlington for $20. And I've been carrying it since February, and it's very sturdy for it to be so light and so cheap. And this is just the inside, which has two big pockets right here. Also has this zipper pocket right here, and also has the front pocket, so a total of 4 pockets. Okay, so yeah, so the first thing I have on it is just a hand sanitizer. You guys can get really any hand sanitizer bag just in case I'm somewhere and I don't feel like going through the whole bag. I just have one already on the outside. And then I have one for the inside, which I need to get another one. Because this one is a little empty for my trip. Another thing that I would say that I'm taking that are important to me is lotion and lip gloss. Like, if I couldn't take my makeup bag and I only had a limited amount of things I could take, I would take this lotion and these two this lip gloss right here. This is just the cocoa butter, and this is the mint oil lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. I also had the rose hemp one, but the rose hemp one, to me, I don't know, after a while starts to smell like other favorite lip gloss, which is the Black Radiance Urban Nude lip gloss, and it has SPF in it, so you know, that's good for your skin. The next thing I would say is bring snacks. Okay, snacks are not going in my travel essential bag right here, but I have a whole big bag that I'm going to show you in my what's in my suitcase video that will be posted, like, pretty sure the same day as this one or after this one, who knows. But I would say snacks and water. So I'm gonna have water in my travel essentials bag and in my snack bag, because I would say you can drink whatever you want to drink, you know what I'm saying. I would say sunglasses just in case, because you never know what time of day you're going to your location. So I would say bring sunglasses. So another thing that I'm taking with me that I know will not fit in my travel essentials bag, it might fit, but it won't, just my tripod, because I will be vlogging there. So I just have my tripod already ready, and I have my iPhone that I want to be vlogging on. So I'm ready to take on New York City. Another thing I would say take are hair ties. So I'm just taking some of those big rubber bands and like one scrunchie without the little metal clip, because nobody wants hair breakage in 2018. No, we're not doing that. But you never know what hairstyle you might have that you need to tie up you know, because nobody wants hair all in their face the whole ride there. Also, if you never know when Mother Nature might strike, some people do, some people don't. So I would say take a pad and like a feminine wipe, just in case. You never know, you might need it, or somebody that's traveling with you might need it. So take it just in case. Another thing is I'm not taking my wallet, which I will show you what my wallet looks like. So this is like my wallet that I usually carry day by day. It's just one of those wallets with 2 pockets. See if my money got broken in. So what I did was, I'm just gonna use these. But this is the case that I got for Christmas. So what I'm doing is just taking my important cards, like my ID. My ID and some other things. And I'm just carrying this on my trip as a wallet. I'm also gonna put my money in here. And I would say don't keep swiping your card. So what I would do is like keep some money on your card if you have like a debit card. Keep like, not majority, but like half of your money on your card, and then take the other half out in cash. Because some places, I know from what I watched on YouTube, is that a lot of places don't take the card, your credit card or your debit card. So always have some cash on you. It's up to you how much money you want to bring, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to tell you how much to bring. Another thing I'm taking is just my camera. This camera might not be in my travel bag, but I am taking this camera and the film. This is the Instax Mini 8. So I'm just taking this so I could take pictures of the scenery, maybe me and my friends. So I can have those. And this pouch right here has all of my electronics in it, which I will go through one by one. So, this should have been like the first thing I pulled out, but I wanted to save that pouch for last to show you everything that I'm taking in that pouch. Headphones, okay? I would say at least bring 2 pair of headphones unless you have those good headphones, but you never know. Because you need these in a car. Especially because my mom's going and she likes to sing, and I don't want to hear her sing. Jennifer Hudson, I don't want to hear her sing. So headphones is just the most important key for me, you know what I'm saying? Headphones. Also, I have 2 portable chargers. One is a puffball charger, which my sister has right now, but hopefully she can find it. But I also bought this slim battery pack from Walmart for $6. And to me it works pretty good. This one is the cheaper one that only has 1 full charge. I should have bought the one that had the two ports and 2 full charges. But I feel like I won't be on my real phone that much during the ride. So that phone should stay charged in case of emergency. And this is just the charger to it. So don't forget to charge your portable chargers before you go, because you don't want to be stuck stranded. So I'm taking my iPad, which I am recording with right now. So I have my iPad charger just in here. I also have my iPhone charger and block to my vlogging iPhone. And I also have another Android charger because I'm taking 2, the one I use at home and this one. So just to have those things all in one place so you can't misplace them is a good key. And also when I'm not filming, I'm going to put my iPad in here and also my iPhone. Well, I might not put my iPhone in here, but I'm going to have all my electronics in this pouch. And another thing I would say is wear comfy clothing, because you do not want to be sitting in a van or a car for a long period of time. For me, which is going to be, I think, 10 hours to New York City, and I don't want to be sitting in jeans or something tight. So I'm gonna wear like a t-shirt and like leggings, and I might even wear some slides. Probably these. I know they busted, but just these, something simple on your feet, so that way you can slip them on and off from the car to the gas station. So you know, you don't want nothing like no tennis shoes. You gotta get on and tie and all that. So those were my simple travel essentials. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below what else you would like to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one.